Most people in crypto are addicted to fast money, and that's why they lose. They chase pumps, watch charts all day, and panic every time the market moves. But smart crypto users, they are building passive income systems instead. And some of these systems are paying people daily. Now in this video, I'll show you 5 realistic ways people are building crypto passive income in 2026, including one strategy almost nobody is paying attention to. And without further ado, let's get started. Welcome back, guys, and welcome to the Grind Academy. Before we go further, it's important that I introduce myself. So if you're just seeing me for the first time, my name is Ebenezer Link, and one of the things I do in this particular channel, the Grind Academy, is that I break down crypto, online income, and digital opportunities through the easiest way possible. So if you're just seeing me for the first time and you've not subscribed to this channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button. If you've already subscribed, you are the real G. You're welcome back. Drop us with a comment. If you have a comment or question or opinion, drop down in the comment section and we'll respond to you ASAP. And that said, let's really get into this. The first method on our list, which is the easiest place to start, is crypto savings. Now think of it like this. Instead of leaving your crypto sitting there doing nothing, instead of leaving your crypto in your wallet doing nothing, some platforms let you earn yield on it over time, let you earn interest on it over time, usually with coins like USDT, Bitcoin, or Ethereum. And you know, this has become popular because it's simple. It does not require you to trade, it does not require technical skills, and it does not require you to stare at the charts all day. Now, some platforms offer different kinds of savings to give you interest, and the common ones are flexible savings and fixed savings. I've actually made a video explaining all of this on how to earn interest on USDT. You can actually check that video out to learn more, but I'm just going to give you a little bit of explanation on what all of this is. Flexible means you can withdraw anytime, while fixed means you usually lock your crypto for a while, but you get to earn more. For example, platforms like CoinX allow users to earn yield on idle crypto assets through savings products directly on the exchange. But please don't get blinded by high returns in crypto, because high reward usually means higher risk. The next on our list is staking. Now, this is one of the biggest passive income systems in crypto right now. How does it work? You lock up certain crypto coins and the blockchain rewards you for helping support the network. Now, popular staking coins include Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano. And people like staking because it feels more passive than trading. You're not constantly buying and selling every day. Now, beginners usually use exchanges because it's easier. Platforms like CoinX simplify staking, so users don't need complicated setups or technical experience. But there is still risk. If the coin crashes hard, your reward may not matter much. So never stake blindly just because the APY looks attractive. The next one, which is the third one on our list, is AI trading bots and copy trading. Now, this one exploded recently, and honestly, there's a reason this got popular fast. Most beginner traders lose money because of emotions. They panic buy, panic sell, and overtrade. So instead of trading manually, some people now use AI bots, grid bots, VCA bots, or copy experienced traders automatically. The goal is simple, and that is to remove emotions from trading. Now, obviously, this does not guarantee profits. Bad strategies still lose you money, but automation is becoming massive in crypto right now, especially with AI getting smarter. Some exchanges like CoinX also integrate with trading platforms like Wonder Trading to make automation easier for users. And honestly, this space is probably going to grow like crazy over the next few years. Now let's talk about the fourth method on our list, and that is DeFi yield farming. Now this one is the high risk side of crypto passive income. This is where users put crypto into decentralized finance platforms to earn rewards from lending, trading fees, or liquidity pools. And yes, the return here can get very high. Some of the risks include smart contract hack, protocol collapse, and liquidity problems. So personally, I don't think beginners should start here. But then, experienced crypto users use DeFi heavily, especially during strong bull markets, because the earning potential can be huge. What I want you to understand first is the risk that is involved. Now let's head on and talk about the last one on our list. Now this one is the underrated one almost nobody talks about. And honestly, this might become one of the best long-term crypto strategies, because in 2026, attention is becoming an asset. And people are building income through crypto YouTube channels, newsletters, communities, affiliate programs, and digital products. And the crazy part, you don't even need huge money to start, because you're building trust, knowledge, audience, and a brand. For example, someone like me teaching crypto online can earn through sponsorships, affiliate income, exchange referrals, courses, and communities without relying on trading profits. Honestly, this shift is getting bigger every year. Now let's do a little bit of reality check. Now, before you jump into every passive income strategy, understand this. There is no risk-free passive income in crypto. And anybody promising guaranteed profits is probably trying to sell you something. Every strategy that I've mentioned here has risk, but the goal is not becoming rich overnight. The real goal is building smarter systems over time. Because the people who usually survive long-term in crypto are patient, disciplined, and educated, not the people chasing hype every single week. So those are the 5 of the biggest ways people are building crypto passive income in 2026. If you want to explore crypto savings, staking, or trading tools, you can check out CoinX using the link in the description. And if you want more videos on crypto, online income, AI tools, and digital finance, subscribe to the Grind Academy, and I'll see you in the next one.